This video is about the consolidation of fragile pigments. The required materials are presented and various procedures are demonstrated. Paint layers can lose stability through mechanical influences or insufficient binding medium. Consolidation maintains the adhesion between pigment and substrate and between the pigments themselves. The consolidation can be carried out with a brush or with aerosols. The selection of the proper adhesive is crucial. The adhesive must not lead to changes in color or surface appearance. Different concentrations are used depending on the application method and subsequent handling. For consolidation with a brush, a long thin brush with few bristles should be used. This reduces pressure on the paint layer and minimizes the risk of damage. A macroscope or magnifying glasses can be helpful for more precise work. The consolidant is applied with a brush under or next to the paint flake. Powdery pigments should not be consolidated with a brush. The risk of material loss is too high. Aerosol consolidation is suitable for powdery surfaces and larger areas. More about aerosols can be found in this video. For nebulization, the adhesive is filled into the corresponding cone cup. Demineralized water is filled into the nebulizer chamber so that the dome of the cone cup is subsequently surrounded by water. After connecting the aerosol and fan tubes, the device can be switched on. Various nozzles are available for the aerosol tube. These influence the shape of the aerosol spray. Dark cardboard or similar material can be helpful to adjust the aerosol spray. The paint layer is consolidated with the aerosol. The distance to the paint layer depends on the object. Fragile pigments can be consolidated with various adhesives. Application is done with a brush or aerosols. Aerosols should always be used for powdery pigments.